Hi again, in today's video I will share how to make a biphase makeup remover. The biphase makeup remover combines both water-based and oil-based phases. You will need to shake it before using it to mix the phases and create a temporary emulsion. The formula with a calculator to adjust the amounts is on the website. I am starting with the water phase. I added distilled water to a beaker, then added citric acid and mixed it to dissolve the citric acid in the distilled water. Once the citric acid was dissolved, I added diesel-glucoside, a mild and gentle surfactant suitable for all skin types. When adding a surfactant, we need to stir more gently to minimize the foam. Next, I used magnolia extract and pentylene glycol in the water phase. I dissolved the magnolia extract in the pentylene glycol before adding it. The written post includes alternatives for the ingredients I used and more information on them. Magnolia extract has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to calm the skin after makeup removal and prevents irritation to the skin. Pentylene glycol is a humectant that draws moisture into the skin and provides hydration. It is also a preservative booster and a solvent for the magnolia extract. Now for the oil phase. I used isoamyl laureth 8 and cocoa caprylate. Both are esters with excellent emollient properties. Both are light and non-greasy and leave the skin smooth and soft. These esters are considered non-comedogenic. They are both used as alternative for silicones. You have alternatives in the written post. Now for phase C. I added Cosguard, which is the preservative and fragrance. When all phases were ready, I combined the pentylene glycol with the magnolia extract and the rest of phase A, the water phase. The next step is optional. If you want to add color to this product, add liquid cosmetic dye to the water phase and mica powder to the oil phase. Mica powder is oil soluble and the liquid dye is water soluble. When adding colors, start with 1 drop of the liquid color. These colors are usually very concentrated and 1 or 2 drops will be enough. The same goes for mica powder. It is better to start with a very small amount, and then if you want a more intense color, add a little more powder. You can use different colors for the different phases or use similar colors as I chose here. It's time to combine all the phases. Before pouring into a container, check the pH and adjust it if necessary. You can find more information on pH adjustments on the website. You can store this product in a push-down pump dispenser or spray bottle. The phases will separate after some time and you'll see 2 layers. Before using the product, shake it to mix the phases, place it on cotton pads, and massage it into the skin to remove makeup or dirt. I have applied different makeup products, and this makeup remover did an excellent job removing them. It did not dry my skin, and removing the makeup was easy and fast. As I mentioned, you can also use spray bottles for this product. Just shake it before using it.